Check out Miss Yaya's new recipe here on the Missy Rich Scene. Hey guys, this is Miss Yaya here, and I am about to start to make the meatballs for this new recipe that I have. I found on Facebook. It's from Pillsbury.com. So it's called the slow cooker honey garlic barbecue meatballs, and it is Super Bowl Sunday, so I'm gonna try this out. Hopefully the hubby and the kids love it. Okay guys, so this is a crock pot that I got on Black Friday, and I want to open it up and use this to make my meatballs. If you have different ways that you make your meatballs in a crock pot or slow cooker, please leave them in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Crock pot. Oh, this is heavy. This is cool. I like. Alright guys, so we do have the crock pot set up here, and we're about to put the meatballs in the crock pot. Drop them in there. Then we gotta read the directions next. Guys, so once the meatballs is in the crock pot, it says to, of course, put the lid on it. Get a medium size bowl to put your mixings in, which is the honey, the garlic, and whatever else you want to put in. Me, I'm just putting honey and garlic. Garlic powder. I'm not going to use the minced garlic. I don't really like that, but honey, barbecue sauce, garlic powder, and honey. I'm going to put it together and see how it tastes. I have my sauce, which I blended together. And that's with honey barbecue, little seasonings, garlic powder. And now we have to evenly pour the sauce on the meatballs. Evenly means, of course, all of them. Try to get them all. If not, make some more and pour that. Another hour and a half to 2. I'm going to make some more sauce. And we're going to put the top back on. Alright guys, we are at the finale, and this is the end of our Super Bowl meatballs. As you can see, they are done. It's been 2.5 to 3 hours. In the midst of making the meatballs, I've also made wings, dip, macaroni and cheese, vegetables, and I also put the honey sauce on wings fried next. Now we are going to test one of the wings. Put it here. Thank you guys for watching me make my new recipe, honey garlic barbecue meatballs. And if you have a new recipe with meatballs, different sauce, made in a slow cooker or crock pot, please leave it in the comments below. And again, always subscribe if you like. See you in the next video.